Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the latest update on QNT, also known as Quant. We will cover the latest news and price movements and analyze what we can expect going forward. So let's dive into this important update. First, I'd like to share some exciting news. QNT Quant recently announced the release of Overledger 2.224, which now supports the Avalanche blockchain. This integration is a significant leap forward as it makes blockchain simple, trusted, and future-proof as stated by Quant. For those who may not be familiar, Avalanche is a rapidly expanding blockchain network renowned for its innovative consensus protocol and smart contract capabilities. With the Overledger platform, customers can effortlessly interact with and manage assets on Avalanche without any need to disrupt their existing legacy systems. But why is this development so important? Well, public blockchains such as Avalanche provide speed and cost advantages, enabling businesses to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Recently, private equity pioneer KKR opened its $4 billion healthcare strategic growth fund to distribution via Avalanche, highlighting the growing adoption of blockchain technology in mainstream finance. Regarding tokenomics, 81% of QNT is currently in circulation, equivalent to roughly 12 million tokens. The total and maximum supply of QNT is approximately 14.8 million tokens, and the current market cap stands at 1.5 billion. As of now, we are ranked number 39, and the holders have been consistently increasing over the last few months, which is a positive sign. Now, let's take a closer look at the technicals. The chart on screen shows the daily time frame for QNT Quant, utilizing the Coinbase chart. To sum up, Quant's integration with Avalanche is a major step forward and could potentially have significant implications for the future of blockchain technology. And for the new subscribers, a quick recap here. I basically think that the bear market low for QNT was actually in on the 13th of June, 2022 at $40. Since then, we moved up in 5 waves towards the upside here to complete this larger Elliott wave 1. The top was reached on the 17th of October, 2022 at 228. Since then, we corrected down in this ABC move. This was an Elliott wave 2 correction. In my opinion, the bottom was reached there on the 14th of November at around 94. So yeah, right now it looks to me like QNT Quant is already imposing out of here in this third Elliott wave towards the upside. The target is somewhere around the $400, but it is definitely possible and also very likely that this wave 3 will go a lot higher. There's also, of course, a barrier scenario, and that is that this wave 2 is actually never completed, that we are still within this wave 2, and we still have deeper to go for QNT. That's all possible. But the important thing is to hold above $100, because if we lose the $100 level, then it is very likely that QNT could impulse a lot lower. So I'm watching that level very carefully here. So at the moment, you can also see these trend lines here on the chart. At the moment, we are expecting this upward sloping support line, and we are also respecting this downward sloping resistance line, which was holding the price back all the way from the all-time high. So we got 2 touch points. And if we go higher, I definitely do expect some resistance at this line. What you also can see here in the short term is that we are also respecting this downward slop resistance line. A break above this line would indicate that this imminent pullback here is ended and that we will impulse further to the upside. So there are important level to watch here for QNT at the moment in the short term is, of course, the golden pocket here at 125s. If we lose that level, I do expect strong support on 121. If we lose that level, then it is very likely that we will head towards this upward sloping support line, which is currently located around 114 to 112. So watch out for those levels. A break above 128 would be very bullish for QNT and would indicate that we are going to retest this downward sloping resistance line. Firstly, on the daily time frame, we observe that we are currently experiencing an oversold condition. However, there has been no indication of a buy signal as of yet from our momentum indicator. As a result, I am continuously monitoring this situation closely. Additionally, the relative strength index, RSI, is presently sitting at a level of 39, which is an indication that we are indeed oversold. Nonetheless, if we remain bearish in the short term, there is still a possibility for further price declines. The stochastic RSI is currently oversold and showing strong upward momentum. Meanwhile, the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has decreased in selling pressure, and we are still anticipating a bullish crossover. That concludes our brief market update for today. However, please be mindful of these levels when trading. I hope this information has been beneficial to you. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I'll catch you in the next QNT update. Thank you and farewell.